In 2023, Cristiano Ronaldo came to Saudi Arabia. He joined Al Nassr football club. Many people were surprised. Some people said Ronaldo was too old. Some people said Saudi football was not strong. But Ronaldo believed in Al Nassr. When Ronaldo arrived, thousands of fans came to see him. They wore yellow shirts and shouted his name loudly. People around the world started watching the Saudi League. Ronaldo worked very hard every day. He trained early in the morning. He helped his teammates improve. He told the players, "We fight together, we win together."
At first, some matches were difficult. Al Nassr did not win every game. Fans felt worried. But Ronaldo never gave up. One day, Al Nassr played an important match against a strong team. The stadium was full of fans. Everyone was excited. In the second half, Ronaldo scored a beautiful free-kick goal. The crowd went crazy with happiness. After the match, many people said, "Ronaldo is changing Al Nassr." Slowly, the team became stronger. The players worked together better. They started winning many games. Ronaldo became the leader of the team. Before every match, he spoke to the players. He told them, "Stay calm, work hard, believe in yourselves."
The Saudi League also became more famous because of Ronaldo. Many famous football players came to Saudi Arabia after him. More people watched Saudi football on TV and online. Children started wearing Ronaldo shirts and dreaming about football. Near the end of the season, Al Nassr needed one more important win. The pressure was very high. Before the match, Ronaldo told his teammates, "This is our moment. Play with your heart." The match was very difficult. Both teams attacked again and again. Then Ronaldo scored a powerful header. The fans screamed with joy. Near the end of the game, Al Nassr scored another goal. Finally, the referee blew the whistle.
Al Nassr won the Saudi League title. The players celebrated together. Fans waved flags and sang songs. Ronaldo lifted the trophy high into the sky. Fireworks exploded above the stadium. People said Ronaldo changed Saudi football forever. He brought hope, confidence, and excitement. For Al Nassr fans, this was more than football. It was a story about dreams, teamwork, and belief. Cristiano Ronaldo showed the world one important thing. A true champion never stops fighting.
Thank you for your listening to the story of Cristiano Ronaldo and his team. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment for our channel.